we about to set this pile on fire on the homestead. I'm trying to get over here so I can see it. I'll try to come around there. I might need to bring the hose over there, baby. Hold on. I said I'm gonna try to bring the hose over there so I can wet the ground on that side. I'm supposed to wet right here, right? Oh, baby, your gun over there. I was about to wet it up. I don't want to come out here, y'all. Whew, I get wet. Oh, that's wet with diesel, huh? All right, y'all, we had to go get some pine. We put some diesel on the pile, but it's still burning by a little bit. It is a little flame down there, baby. I can still see a little flame down there. Be careful. You need that pine to catch, though. You know, that hard to start a fire. Just that pine straw stuff was burning off of there, huh? Trying to hold them down on the fire, y'all, so they can catch a blaze. We really should have cut them up, yeah, so they could catch. That might be blazing a little high right there. Dang. But it seemed like we should have cut them up in pieces and throw them on there. Huh? Seemed like we should have cut them up in pieces and throw them on there. Seemed like the straw stuff burning the best, as you can see. There's still some burning in there. But, you heard me? I was like, seemed like we should have cut them in pieces so we could have thrown them down in there. Yeah, it's still burning down there and over there somewhere. But that straw stuff catch quick. That's what be blazing up. Oh, I'm about to knock that diesel over there. You tired?
You want to go get the saw? I could.
What the saw at?
By the truck.
Okay. Yeah, just cut them up, I guess, and put them in there. Ain't never be that hard to start the fire. We've been out here seeing like about 30 minutes.
You can do it!
You see, it still got a blaze in there. You see it? I think I could have pulled this one. That's good. And then you throw them over there. Have fun. Too dry?
No, it's too dry.
Yeah, that's dry. Well, I don't know about them big logs, but there's a can down there too. What's in that sucker? But I don't have time. A big pepper stick. That oak wood must be hard to burn. Yeah. Oh.
Got it right on the fire there. The big one.
Yeah, but is it gonna catch up? Yeah. We finally got it burning, we hoping. It look like it dying down. Them big ones, why they ain't catching on fire? This the right kind. I was wondering, should this pine be wet or dry? Oh my. But you know, you gotta step up. Well, it's got some on fire down there. Now, it's burning from the bottom now down there. You can get down like that. Oh shoot.
Stop it.
Go ahead and throw some over there, baby. Catch that pine on fire. It's down there on the ground. Oh, this is getting hot. Let me put some on it. Get up to that tree.
He's like, here we again. You have to stop the truck.
Oh. He's gonna be, she fall, she fall.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey. Well, I ain't had to hit the gas, y'all, because it's still. It's gassing by itself. The stuff in the way. I'm right here, right in front of me. The gas can down there somewhere. I can't see it, but I'm about to run it over. I was trying to get the same spot you was in last time. That's good. He ain't answering me. I think that's good right there. All right, King. You know, get up. That side over there. Get out, King.
It's gonna be hard.
It's gonna be.
That window.
Huh? Hold on, babe. Come on, y'all. Get out. Say, get out of there. Come on, King. Go on out. I got him, King. Ooh, there you go, little man. Okay, King, go, babe. We need that to put on the trash pile.
I can fly. I can fly.
Whew. Okay, help side down there, Kara. Put that stuff down in your hand and grab him. Walk him over there by your daddy. I'm gonna start bringing these over. That thing's blazing up.
Okay.
But I thought it was about to burn that tree up there. I'm coming, baby. Ooh. Look at Sal over there, y'all. Ooh. Well, you feel that heat.
Oh my God! Oh, it's me.
Get some more off the truck. And don't knock that saw down, y'all. Oh. I didn't even get that one on there. Oh, shit.
thought we were going to that tree up there.
It looked like it was up there. I was just scared. I was like, oh yeah. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to. Let's see. This tree now. Y'all bring some. Bring more than one if you can. Shoot, you just made another pile.
One hole.
Whew.
I just hold him.
Okay. Come on here.
What the heck is that?
Okay, y'all go get another one. And we trying to put them on the fire. Hey, Si, he's standing way back. Whew. Ain't no more up there? It is some more up there.
Let's get those big ones.
Oh, let me see.
It's too heavy.
Oh,
Big ones
yeah,
are too
these are.
heavy.
Hold on.
Big ones
Watch
are
out.
too heavy. That's
I'm going to just throw them off the truck right now. Watch out. Ah. It ain't no more. It's the big ones. Besides this one. It's a few little ones, but alright, y'all come back and get these little ones. I got some little branches right here. Here go some little branches right there, yeah. Side gone. Here, you can take this over there.
Yeah,
This pile. Yeah, get it to your dad.
I can throw it in.
You can't throw it in, little girl. Let your daddy do it. Ooh. Everybody want to throw one in, huh? Ooh. Kira throwed it right up in there. Let me throw this in the bag. Yeah. Come over here, King. Oh, shoot. Oh. Look, that's coming out. All right.
You gonna throw that in there too?
What?
What? It smells super good. I'm gonna toast it.
You said it smell good. King told me it smells super good. Throw it in there. Hold up now. Let me see your hand. Oh, yay. Yeah. Yeah, you got your one.
Down now, from the log. You see down there now?
Si, come back, baby. What you doing? What's catching on blaze down now all of a sudden?
Dude, this one's not bunny.
Yeah, y'all can just pick up the sticks and little sticks and throw them out. I gotta go get this other pine. Here, hold Si hand on one of them. I need to go get this other. Girl, no, don't you spray that. You gonna put the fire out. Whew. Y'all, I could have swore I told King to drag the small one over here, and he ain't did nothing. I guess King said he was too big for him to get.
Boy, if you don't get...
Get up first.
Put that over there, yeah.
Daddy, what are you doing? So, that's wet.
I was telling you to like put it over there where you at, cause those leaves look like they dry. Look at Coco over here, girl. You better get out that pile. She right there in the pile right over here.
Oh no, Coco. Don't get burnt
It
up.
ain't burning over there yet though.
You and Dad Did you?
No, we gotta try to get it over here. Or
Dang, it's melting. Finally. No.
somebody out there know how to start a fire and keep it burning. Drop it in the comments.
Stacking up my money, call it Lego. Color bills like pesos. Saving all my money like the Migos. Taking care of my family, that's royal. Dripped in gold, can't do fake. My smile so big, no two